Hi there, this is Chandra from Diverter Brands Group, and today we're going to be looking at our stainless steel countertop filter. So this is a very handy filter to have if you've got limited counter space, or if you live in a rental house, or if you're a student and you'd like to have something you can easily attach or remove whenever you move around. This unit comes with a range of different internal filters. Our standard unit comes with a GAC, a granular activated carbon filter, but it is available with carbon ceramic, KDF GAC, and a full range of filter cartridges. It also uses a standard 2.5 by 10 inch or a 10 inch slimline cartridge, so you can actually replace it with any of our 10 by 2.5 inch cartridges. Okay, so inside the box you get the unit. It comes with the filter pre-installed. Also you have this, which is it's a tool for assisting you to open the housing. We're going to be looking at that in a second. The unit also comes with a small plastic adapter. It's for taps that have an internal thread, and then also it comes with the install diverter. So to install the tap is very simple. We will start with just removing this little adapter. This adapter is for taps that have no thread, so you can just insert this either with or without the rubber spacer inside around the tap, and then you just tighten it on that screw, and then you screw this onto that. So that just creates a thread on the tap itself, but most taps you'll find have either internal or external screws or threads. To start out with, we remove the aerator from the tap, which is just this tip bit over there. We'll place it one side, and then this diverter can very easily screw onto the end of the tap, just like that. You can just ensure that the O-ring inside is firmly screwed onto the tap, so you can ensure that there's no leaks. So once you have this screwed on, you can either cable tie the small pipe to your tap, or you can leave it hanging. It all depends on the space that you have available in your kitchen. So this diverter is how you operate the unit. If this is facing down, you're using just normal filtered water. You can then turn on your tap and normal tap water will come out. For filtered water, you turn this sideways. You'll see the arrow points towards this little pipe over here. And then when you turn the filter on, you'll see that water will flow through the filter and through the tap. Once you've got the filter installed, we recommend flushing the filter for the first 5 to 10 minutes. With carbon filters, you'll usually find that the water turns black. This is just because of carbon dust during manufacture and transport that's inside the cartridge. It's completely normal. It's completely safe as well. It's just food grade coconut shell carbon, but we recommend getting it out there because it has got a little bit of a sort of a burnt smoky taste, which isn't to everybody's tastes. As far as what replacing the filters inside this unit goes, it's very simple. You will usually start by disconnecting it from the tap. You then use the tool that comes in the box, and you'll see that the unit has these small holes on its bottom securing ring. You push this tool inside, and you can then just unscrew this ring. Once the ring is unscrewed, you can lift the body of the filter off, and you'll find the filter cartridge. So like I said, it comes standard with the GAC filter, but we do have a range of different filters available. For a unit of this size, you're looking at replacing the filter usually about, depending on the filter, every 6 to 12 months. Once you have replaced your filter, you can then just screw it back down and then use your housing tool to just tighten the housing to stop any leaks from happening. And there we go. One additional feature that we have on this filter is it has also got these two little screw mounts at the back. So if you don't have space on your counter, you can get just 2 normal screws mounted into your wall and then hook the filter onto there to keep it off of the surface of your counter, just to give you a little more space.